Hey everyone. Guess what came in the mail yesterday while I was at work? Yes, finally! My last package from yourcornerstore.com. And basically the things I bought from the giveaway from Nutn Fancy. Thank you again, Nutn Fancy and VERI. Wanted to give you a unboxing here in downstairs. I do apologize for my disheveled look. I just came back from the gym and I thought I'd run home and get this done right away. See what's inside, shall we? Here we go. Let's see. 2 boxes. US priority mail. Woohoo! Let's see here. Sorry, I don't have my tripod with me. What's this one? What's this one? Here we go. Here we go. What is inside? I'll put this down real quick. You know, I think I'll save this for last. For next time first. I'll do the other one first here. Let's see. Kershaw Skyline. Really great EDC knife, by the way. Okay, let's dig in here, shall we? Oh, look at this. I bet some of you already know what this is. Look at that. Spyderco. Oh, there's one. Oh, looky here. 2 Spyderco knives. I wonder what they could be. Let's put this over here. Let's take a gander, shall we? Now, before I open these, I wanted to say that I don't know how many times I went through all of his knife selections, and I was like, you know, I really can't justify getting a huge knife in my life right now. I already have my SRK is my go-to-war knife when I'm going out camping or whatever else, and I'm perfectly happy and fine with just that right now. So I decided to get 2 basic EDC knives. Let's see, I don't know if you can read this or not. I got the Persistence. Saw some really good videos and different EDC type. Oh my gosh, look at that. Type of reviews on this, and I just love it. And look at this flat grind on it. It's a beautiful knife. It flies out. Like, bing! Look at that. Holy cow. Wow. Boom! Alright, I'll put this here for now. And what is this one? Oh! And this is the, probably can't read it, but the Tenacious. Sweet mama jamma. Look at that. Whoa! Holy cow. I love the jimping. Look at that too. Holy cow, oh my gosh. Oh, nice. Love the grip on these. These handles are nice. I went ahead and decided to get to the half-serrated or the combo edge blade. This is great, I thought, for different types of you know, cutting different things, you know, cord and things like that would be great. Oops. So let's go to box number 2, and this is the one I was really waiting for. Well, this one took longer. I've been really wanting to get a new holster for a long time. The one I have is just, well, it's free, let's put it that way. This is the Black Hawk Check 6 for my Glock 23. And I had, this is going to be carried like that, obviously, with the belt. But I had asked Crockett20, great guy, by the way, you got to check out his channel if you haven't already, because I like his holster outfit, his outside the waistband holster. I was asking him a bunch of questions, and I'm like, you know what? And then I saw this. I'm like, you know what? Let's give this a try. And this was like, I think, $20 less than what they sell at Black Hawk or even at my local gun retailer. Anyway, this is what I got for my $100. I think this was $45. This is $30, and this is like $25, something like that. So that's right up there. With shipping, it was great. Well, thanks again, Nutn Fancy and VERI. And that's all I have to say. God bless everyone. Have a great weekend.